Hello, today I would like to show you how to change display settings in Myth of Empires. First, open Settings. You'll be automatically put into the graphics section, so you'll need to just scroll down a little bit. In the display settings, you can change your display mode from full screen to windowed full screen and windowed. You can choose whether your VSync has to be open or closed, your resolution, the motion blur settings. I honestly prefer them at either close or low because they are a bit nauseating. You can change ruler units on your HP bar. It is very useful to customize this because you can much more easily see your HP, and yeah, of course you can change your height to width ratio constraint, field of view zoom, and gamma settings. There are many other settings such as dynamic resolution, enable DLSS, color blindness mode, before that DLSS quality. You can show advanced hair and enable latent strike. You can also limit the frame rate, and setting it to 0 means no limiting the frame rate. I will turn off the limiting. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.